Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss an important question for all of you to know that. Normally, this is a very interesting question which occurs in the financial accounting. Why we can call profit and loss account instead of profit or loss account whenever we get either profit or loss in the profit and loss account statement. Normally, many students are asking about this question regularly. Whenever we get in the profit and loss account either net profit or net loss, then why can we call it as a profit and loss account instead of profit or loss account? Normally, there are three major financial statements occurring in the financial statements pattern. Those are trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. There are some additional financial statements are also available, cash flow statement and funds flow statement. But still, we are going to take these three main and important financial statement. Trading account. Why we are preparing trading account? For identifying the gross profit or gross loss. Profit and loss account, either net profit or net loss. Why we are preparing balance sheet? To know the financial position or financial status of the business. Right. Now, point of the question here is why we can call profit and loss account whenever we get profit or loss account. The outcome of this statement is either net profit or net loss. But we are calling it as a profit and loss account. This is very interesting question. Most of the students are asking about this. Today I am going to give you the answers and reasons why we should call profit and loss account instead of profit or loss account. Profit and loss account means the first reason is every accounting has some traditions and conventions we need to follow that regularly. We should not deviate from the accounting traditions and conventions as since so many years we are calling profit and loss account. Even now also we are following the same without any deviation. So that is called the first reason is accounting has some traditions and conventions we need to follow. Profit and loss account we are calling it as so many years. So we should call the profit and loss account in similar manner. The second one, income exceeds expenditure, that is known as a profit. Expenditure exceeds income, that is known as a loss. Normally, we are going to take the transactions of income and expenditure. So, we may come across profit and loss transactions in the profit and loss account statement. This is the second reason. The second reason is both transactions we are involving, so that is why we are calling it as a profit and loss account. The third reason is it is a global terminology, universal terminology and standard terminology where we can use and acceptable by all the accounting members. So normally, see, while we are taking the Indian GAAP is concerned, we are using the profit and loss account. But if it is going for other GAPs, US GAAP or IFRS, they are using the only income statement. They are not using the term profit and loss account statement. But whereas it is a profit and loss account, it is a global terminology, universal and standard terminology acceptable by all. The fourth important aspect I would like to notice, I would like to share with you that the total process, whatever we are preparing profit and loss account, the total process involves both sides of the account. Means either profit or and loss. Both sides of the account we are taking into the consideration. Either we may get profit or we may get loss, but both the transactions we are taking into the account. So it could be the final outcome may be the either profit or loss, but both transactions we are using in the profit and loss account. So that is why we should call profit and loss account instead of profit or loss account. Thank you, one and all.